New numbers show mask mandates in the classroom are working. The Chester County School District took a bold step when it became one of the first South Carolina school districts in our area to require masks. In August, the district went against a state law threatening school funding if schools required masks. But numbers show that risk is paying off. Thank you for joining us. I'm Fred Shropshire.
And I'm Vanessa Rufus. And WCNC Charlotte's Indira Esquiva is joining us live to break down more info here. So Indira, Chester County School District is seeing a drop in COVID cases.
Yes, Fred, Vanessa, at the end of August, which was just 3 weeks after school had started in Chester County, case numbers in schools had peaked. Now, since the school board voted to implement that mask policy, they've continued to decline, and the school district says it's seeing less students test positive and having to quarantine because of a close contact.
The board didn't make that decision lightly, but it was purely out of interest of the safety of our students and staff.
On August 23rd, the Chester County School Board voted 6-1 to require masks in schools. At the time, the district superintendent, Dr. Antwon Sutton, said he was willing to risk funding if it meant saving lives by limiting the spread of COVID-19.
Our caseload has decreased weekly. We feel it is because of the extra protection that the masks do bring. Because of the mask, we're able to quarantine less students.
The COVID-19 dashboard for the Chester County School District shows cases peaked on August 30th with 118 positive cases. That was around the time when the mask mandate was instituted. Numbers have since declined every week, with only 17 positive cases last week in a district that has about 5,000 students.
Fortunately, we've not had to shut down a major school or any of our schools. We've had to quarantine quite a bit of students, but they're able to do their assignments. We've set up virtual options for them.
The district says it's not sending students home if they don't wear a mask. Instead, the school provides masks to students and works with parents to follow the policy.
No child has been sent home as a result of not following the mandate. That's counterproductive to what we're trying to do here. So we're not trying to send students or staff home for not wearing a mask. But we are trying to encourage, and we expect them to follow the policy as written on our website.
Last week, a district court judge issued a temporary restraining order on that South Carolina mask ban. Now, that legal fight continues because South Carolina's Attorney General says he will appeal that decision. In South Carolina, Indira Esquiva, WCNC Charlotte.
Indira, thank you.